Good afternoon. You are now going to start the final project part 2, which is in Microsoft Excel. As you can see here on the left-hand side, I have the directions set, and on the right-hand side, I have a blank Excel spreadsheet. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to start by creating the spreadsheet by entering the information in each of the cells as shown in the diagram. I will continue now by adding in number of clients and then going down through and adding in the number of clients. I will then add in service, and I will add in sales, and I will continue to add all the detailed information until I am finished. I am not concerned at this point that text is overflowing into other cells. We will fix this when it is appropriate. I'm now going to pause the video to finish typing all the information, and I will pick back up then. Now that I have all the data typed in my Excel spreadsheet, I'm now going to start on the directions. Step A, center and merge cells A1 through D1. Make the font size 18, Lucida, in a dark green color. So I am going to take A1, B1, C1, and D1. And then I am going to merge and center. Center and merge cells A1, B1, A2 over to D2. So I'm going to select A2 to D2. Again, I am going to merge and center. This one is going to be Lucida. And 18. And this is going to be dark green. Sales and service is going to be Times New Roman, 14, and black. So black, Times New Roman, and size 14. Okay. Now I'm going to do step C. A3 to D3 is going to be filled with a light purple color. So let's go with light purple. And then A4 down to A21. There's a typo. This should be A4. Is going to be a light blue fill color. So we're going to go with light blue. All right. Then you're going to do step E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, and then N. When you are finished, your finished product will look very similar to mine. Please be sure that you're using formulas for each of these calculations and not doing it on a calculator or in your head. You will lose points for not using the formulas. You will save this per the directions as service_sales_ your name.